Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios from the Motor City, and we got a beautiful 67 Impala here today. California car, rust-free, almost all original metal except one fender was replaced because it had a dent in it. Absolutely phenomenal car. Come on up, let's take a look. We're going to show you everything about the car and take you for a ride. Check out this beautiful car, guys. Very rare car. You don't see a whole lot of these around, especially with big blocks numbers matching. Check out all the stainless. Everything looks beautiful. Headlight bezels. The paint is impeccable. Just a fine automobile here. All the body lines and everything line up awesome. Like I said, only one fender was replaced due to a dent. Outside of that, we're looking at all original metal car. You can tell by the fit and finish on this car that everything's original here. Even the door whiskers and everything are nice and clean. Vinyl top is phenomenal. Just a gorgeous build. Tires are like brand new. I'm gonna pop open the trunk here. We'll take a look inside. The rear bumper and everything's impeccable. No pitting or anything like that. Got a beautiful trunk lip. Even the trunk light comes on. That's how you know a restoration was done right, when they even make the lights come on. Remember, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we go through our vehicles, so we ensure you that you're getting a quality car when we park your dream in your driveway. My name is Tom, and I'm available 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. Give me a call today and let Vanguard Motor Sales park your dream in your driveway. Check out the interior on this beautiful SS Impala. Absolutely beautiful. Door panels, seats, dash, everything are impeccable on this car. Headliner's awesome. They put some floor speakers in there for the sound system. You got like a Resto Mod radio in there. It fits in the original holes. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this investment that's only going to go up in value. Call me today at 248-974-9513.
All right, now that you've had a quick look at the car, if you want to go straight to our website and check out about 180 other cars, hit the top button. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit the middle button. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bottom button. Now let's get back out there and check out that car. All right, let's go for a ride in a 67 Impala. Sweet sounding exhaust on this baby, 396 under the hood, numbers matching. Now down here on the dash, looks like the speedo's working, bouncing just a tiny bit, but it's about the right speed. Looks like the clock is not working. Gas gauge over here, got a 3-pack of gauges under here. Aftermarket radio is working. Horn is not working. Of course, one of the things that we do here at Vanguard is we'll make sure all the lights are working. We'll make sure all the brake lights are working, the turn signals, the dash lights, all the important stuff that you need to jump in this baby and head right out to the cruise or the car show or wherever you're headed. As you can see, she's driving great. I've got no hands on the wheel here and she's going nice and straight. The brakes feel good. You can hear that awesome exhaust. She sounds fantastic. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Trans is shifting great. She's driving just as smooth as can be. These Impalas are really hot right now also. We've had a couple of 67s in the shop and they've flown right out the door. So if this is a car you're interested in, make sure you give us a call sooner than later, because Tom will sell this baby. Listen to that exhaust. She just got a real deep thump. Sounds fantastic. You can tell there's a big block under the hood of this baby. Now our shop's right outside the Motor City in Plymouth, Michigan. We'd love to have you come down and check this one out, or one of the other 170 cars we have in stock. We're only 20 minutes from the Detroit Metro Airport. Real easy to get to. Right here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now you got to stick around, because we're going to put this baby up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we'll get under the hood and check out that numbers matching 396 under the hood. All right, we're underneath this 67 Impala now, and she is beautiful under here. It's got new body bushings, new exhaust. These drop downs are definitely original. Trunk floor is original. We got a 12-bolt rear end here. It does have an open rear end in it, and it's right around a 308 gear. All the bushings have been new. All these, the upper arms, the lower arms, everything looks new. Looks like it's got new shocks. It's got new brake lines. And I see new hardware here on the brakes. One of the things the guys will do here at Vanguard is we'll pull those brakes apart, make sure they're all installed correctly. Fuel line's in good shape. Flowmaster mufflers. Again, floorboards are all original. They've been undercoated. Everything under here is nice and clean. Looks like the parking brake cable is hooked up. We've got a new brake line going front to back. Turbo 400 trans. It is a 67 model. Numbers matching 427 up front. Looks like it's got brand new disc brakes up front. All the hardware looks new. Looks like it's got new ball joints. A lot of the steering gear looks new under here. She's beautiful. Everything's nicely painted. It's super clean. Radius arm bushings are new. Core support looks good. Front bumper looks like it's new. This is a gorgeous car, guys, underneath. So give us a call. Let's look at these wheels and tires. All right, up front we got rally wheels with great looking center caps, great looking trim rings, two 25/70/15s. Wheel lip moldings look good. Wheel houses are nice and clean. I always check up in here behind. You can actually get your whole hand up in here. That's all nice and smooth metal back there. Let's look at the rear. Out back, same great looking trim rings, center caps, and wheels. And we've got two 25/70/15s. Again, wheel lip moldings look new. Rocker moldings look good. Pinch weld looks great. She's gorgeous. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood, we got the numbers matching 396, 325 horse. She's got the period correct Rochester carb. She has been upgraded with an Edelbrock intake. She does have roller rockers and lifters. Great looking paint work. As you can see, all the air conditioning stuff's there. Radiator looks new. All the hoses look great. All the wiring looks good. She is power steering. She is power brakes. All the brake stuff there also looks new. She's gorgeous under the hood, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're going to give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.